Here we come to the elevators at 1 East Broadway in Tucson, Arizona, downtown Tucson.
Here we go.
We get the left one. This is a Gen 2. No voice.
Let's try going as many floors as we can.
4 works. Here we go. Gen 2. Installed in the mid-2010s.
Might be a desk here, so just stay put. I'm not sure if there is.
Your door opens. All the rest of them are locked.
Let's get out of it. It's gonna be.
Let's see if it goes anywhere.
Basement.
Nope.
And
one R works.
And one.
Yeah.
So let's open both doors.
Yeah. Otis, capacity 3,500 pounds, Series 7, Series M2 fixtures. Turn on one.
Both doors are gonna open at the same time.
Oh yeah, cool. And there's the parking garage, service area.
Yep.
Anyways, do you want to try the other car?
We have to let. I don't think so. It's fine. We can just.
We'll let this one go. We'll head out. Anyways, here it goes. Otis Series M2, newer Series 2 lantern, very similar to the Series 1. Anyways, here it goes, and that's it.